Paradox is all about where are they, if there is intelligent life out there. And you know, we're taking a good look at that. We hope to be able to find life beyond Earth, which will tell probably microbes, perhaps at Mars. Europa is another fabulous opportunity to look at life because of the environment seems to be just right. Once that occurs, we then have the feeling that life can be everywhere in our solar system. And then that next question is very pertinent. Where are they?
Somebody has to be first.
Yeah, and it might be us. But in reality, it might tell us something incredibly important, and that is intelligent life may not live long. And if we understand that, we might be able to think about our future differently. We might be able to, as a world, come together, as a world, trek out, go to Mars, and go beyond. And then we'll be the ones to visit other places.
There's an interesting paradox on the other side of that, which is if there is another life form that is intelligent enough to travel beyond its own interstellar boundaries, why would they want to hang out with us when we haven't even figured out how to get off our planet? You know, we're still aiming weapons back at our own territory, so, you know.
There's like a million answers to that. I just wanted to hear.
Right on.